Is your Kenmore Progressive Vacuum losing suction? It's likely time to tackle a stubborn hose clog. First, ensure the vacuum is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards as we begin this repair. Locate where the hose connects to the main body of your Kenmore Progressive and find the release tab. Press this tab firmly and gently pull the hose away. Now, let's detach the hose from the wand again. Look for a similar release mechanism or a twist lock system to separate the two. Gently inspect the end of the hose for any obvious blockages. Sometimes, a large piece of debris can be the culprit. If you can't see the clog, or it's deep inside, use a long, blunt object like a broom handle or a straightened coat hanger to carefully push through the hose. Be gentle to avoid damaging the hose material. You can also try gently tapping the hose against a hard surface or shaking it to loosen any trapped debris. Once you've cleared the obstruction, reattach the hose to the wand, ensuring a secure fit. Finally, connect the hose back to the vacuum cleaner's main body, making sure it clicks securely into place. And there you have it, a clear hose and restored suction for your Kenmore Progressive Vacuum.